Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Just popping on to say hello. Let y'all know that I am still breathing. I'm amongst the living. And my sabbatical break from baskets will be over in about a week and a half. Alright, and I am putting together our Cricut tutorial, our design space tutorial. So that will be coming up soon. I'm going to hit you all up on your emails. So make sure you have given me your emails. I am in the car headed out right now. I'm going to flip y'all around. Well, first let you see that guy right there. That's my date tonight, y'all. My ace boom coom de doom. That's my baby grandson. We're going to go see the new Jurassic World movie tonight, because we want to live a little bit before I get back into the swing of baskets. Because, baby, you can ask him. When I'm in these baskets, I am in the shed and they don't never see me. And lately here, I've been in the garden and they see me, but that's because the garden's upstairs in the kitchen. So next week when I get back in the shed, getting organized and start making these baskets for my holiday seasons, birthday baskets, some orders I've gotten. I've also gotten some orders for some strawberry jam from my garden. So that is what I have been up to, y'all. Canning, and I've made strawberry jam. I'm going to make some grape jam, grape jelly. And I got a lot of vegetables to can that we actually picked up from a farmer's market. Fresh vegetables. So I'm going to get those things canned. Spaghetti noodles. I got Mylar bags coming for those. So that is what I'm doing, y'all. I'm extremely busy and working to make sure we have a little stockpile that will last us for at least a year, until we are longer, to see where things are going. And then, some other things that we are looking at as a family that some of you all are aware of, because I have talked to some of you privately. But just know that your girl is still here. I haven't gone anywhere. We're headed to the movie theater. A beautiful Saturday. Look at that sky, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely beautiful day. It is a beautiful day for my plants. Honey, they are out there on that porch greening and standing at attention. So I'm super excited about it. I've gotten some cherry tomatoes that I've harvested already, that I've got to get canned, and then I've got some big tomatoes growing as well. And it looks like that tomato plant's gonna pop out about 8 of those big tomatoes, which is great. Plus I have tomatoes that are in my fridge. Hang on, y'all. I had to move y'all down because I wasn't sure if that was the Popo or not, but this is the Popo County, and where they like to hang out at is on this street right here. My grandson be looking too, but we don't see any hanging out right now. That means they either changing shifts or they done got somebody. But I thought I'd just take y'all along for the ride to the movie theater as we go and watch the new Jurassic Park movie. My grandson is an avid dinosaur lover. There ain't a thing about dinosaurs that he don't know. So yeah, the police just drove by, y'all. They didn't see me though. Oh Lord, honey. But yeah, you want to know something about a dinosaur? Hit me up. Ask Kale. Don't ask Google. Ask Kale, because Kale knows. But I hope that you all are getting organized. I see some of y'all doing your thing. My Pooh Bear, she's getting organized over there. They got that shed looking good, girl. I'm proud of you. Definitely inspiring me when I get back in the shed to make sure I get everything organized back the way that it was. I got to get all my ribbon put up too, girl. I got so much ribbon, it's ridiculous. I see my sis, Gifts by Chosen. She's doing her thing, and Rochelle doing her thing. I see Rachel out at them Rachel Marts, bringing those hauls in for y'all. So I'm watching y'all. I see you. I am watching. All right, so just know that I am here. I thank y'all for your support, your continued support, and please continue to support my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. I am happy to have you in the Crafty Corner. We do a multitude of things in the Crafty Corner, as well as in the Crafty Garden. And I do have, like I said, orders coming in for things from my garden already, y'all, and I haven't even done my first actual harvest yet. But you know, just that thing about people when they find out that you do canning and that you make jellies and things like that, then I was really surprised that I was getting orders for those things. So I am super excited. It is another avenue and another source of income for the Crafty Corner. I told you all that we would be expanding into other things, and that a lot of new crafts and things would be coming to fruition, and they are. So I'm excited about that. And once again, I thank you all for riding with me, and my faithfuls that have called and sent me messages just to check on me. Thank you so much. You all are the real MVPs. You really are. And I appreciate that. You all just know you have a very, very, very special place in my heart, because it's nice to know that there are people out there that actually are thinking about you and that care. So y'all know in this world we're in right now, that's a hard thing to find even amongst our own community. So thank you all so much for your love, your support, your kindness, checking on me, thinking about me, and just doing you. I've been watching Deb's concepts and LBE's advice, telling everybody get up and get it done. You know, I love all of you all, so thank you so much. And you all just know I am still here. We sitting at a red light, y'all, at the Chevron. Y'all see them thing just flashing, and it ain't even flashing for real, y'all. I don't know why it does that on camera. Even like when I'm doing candles or something and I'm doing the countdown thing and show it to y'all, it just flashes. But I swear to God, them numbers ain't flashing. It just doing it on camera. Y'all see we have all these old yucky fast food places right here. Dunkin', Churches, DQ. Probably couldn't see DQ over my hand, but Tyler's got good breakfast. Rogers right there got some good fish. I can't stand Arby's, so I ain't even gonna talk about Arby's. Arby's, just nasty. Here go the new restaurant. Y'all remember I told you them the little ornaments they had in there look like they get up and walk. There they go. I don't know if y'all can see them or not, but there they go. That's the new Mexican restaurant. I haven't been in there yet. We got another new restaurant where IHOP used to be in town, but that restaurant right there took the place of Ruby Tuesdays, because that used to be Ruby Tuesdays right there. We are almost at the movie theater, and once we get there, I am going to send y'all my regards, salutations, love, and everything else, because I just wanted to take you along for the ride as me and my grandson go out for our date night. Where's our bucket at? Y'all see that right there? They got discount Tuesday, Stubbs 25% off. Yeah, we got us a popcorn bucket, y'all. We're going in here to fill it up. And I love the Jurassic World movies, so we were real excited when they came out with another Jurassic World movie. Super excited. So we're gonna hit this turn right here and head on out to the movie theater. Our movie starts at 6 o'clock. It is 5:40. Alright, so we are here. We're going to go in here into this parking lot to park, but that's the movie theater right there where that big dome thing is. And we're going in here, across the street, find us a parking space. Everybody going to the 6 o'clock movie, looks like. That's okay. We got us a space right here. Yep, they do provide free parking here in the theater. All right, y'all, we are here. Bam! We're going out to watch Jurassic World. Peace! Do you, boo. Love you all. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Bye, y'all.